Hey, I got a question for you.
I'm on the daily grind, I'm taking care of work, I'm getting paid today, I'm doing things to make it right.
Is your money working for you, or are you working for money?
It's the life I lead.
Welcome to the crypto lifestyle, the lifestyle where your money works for you instead of you working for that money. And guys, in this video, I'm going to show everybody what I do in these harsh market conditions. Yes, I mean, look at it. It's 250 billion overall market cap, guys. I mean, I think this is the all-time low for 2018 in terms of overall cryptocurrency market cap. Okay, that's pretty crappy, and I'm so sorry to use that word, but I think it's justified. That's the best, vocabulary I could come to describe the markets right now. It's harsh. There's blood on the streets, but I'm going to show you guys what I do personally to take advantage of these harsh market conditions, and it's up to you if you want to follow suit. Mind you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I am simply a crypto fanatic sharing my thoughts and my moves with the rest of the world. It's up to you guys to follow or not. Okay, that's completely up to you. So let's get right to the content, guys. So let's look at ICO Drops. I mean, what do we have here? Okay, I mean, we got some okay projects that are coming out, but ideally I like to look for the best of the best. Whenever I'm putting my money into something, it has to be the best of the best. So you guys know blockchain infrastructure, to me, my opinion on that is, they give us the best returns with the least amount of risk, and you can't go wrong with infrastructure. So if there's no infrastructures, what do? I mean, I tend to wait, and especially right now, as I just alluded to, you do not want to get into an ICO when the market cap's that low, or the markets are dipping, right? They don't really perform well. Unless it's the likes of Quark Chain that had a amazing community, the demand was there, the hype was there, but more importantly, the token economics for Quark Chain stood out. And I'm not talking about the hard cap that was 20 million. Yes, that's great. I'm not talking about the supply either. I'm talking about the token economics in regards to distribution, the way they distributed the tokens. Okay, it definitely gave it room to grow, and it went 18x. So congratulations to the Quark Chain investors. You guys did very well. But that's an exception. That's very far and in between. We do not see these types of ICOs do that well in harsh market conditions. But how could we counter that? Okay, guys, as I said, these projects are okay. I mean, if you wanted to risk it in these harsh markets, go ahead. It's up to you. If you're trying to make a quick flip, a 2x, a 3x, a 4x, hey, go for the gamble. People love to gamble nonetheless, so I can see where you're coming from. But me personally, I like to take the safer route. And what I'm going to do is we're going to go to IDEX, and let's look at some of the tokens that came out. Okay, so first off, we got Metronome. Okay, so I have it already here. Metronome just launched their IC. The tokens were transferable or tradable. So they unlocked their tokens and they're trading right now on IDEX. So the ICO price was an average of $1.27 or 0.00277 ETH or GWs. So let's do some math right here. We go to IDEX. Metronome, it's down 14.54%. The price right now is 0.00555 GWs or ethereum. So actually, let us go to here and do a little bit of math. So we got 0.0055. Okay, 555. Let's just put that divided by 2. Okay, so that's, look at this, 0.002775, guys. What was the ICO price? 0.00277. So essentially, this is pretty much just a 2xer. Okay, now if this market cap was, say, the overall market cap's going back here, if this was at, say, I don't know, 350 billion, let me tell you, okay, that this price right here on IDEX would not be sitting at 2x. That would be probably 4x. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you guys is, if you are a long-term believer in cryptocurrency, in Bitcoin, in blockchain technology, in the cryptocurrency markets, this is like heaven to you. Okay, you are scooping up these undervalued coins. Okay, so I am going to scoop up some Metronome because sitting at a 2x, I think, in the long term, this is going to go up at least 10x, So that's just me. I'm going to scoop some of that. Now let's look at another one, Sentinel Protocol. Okay, Sentinel protocol right now, guys, look, it is below the ICO price. Now, what is Sentinel protocol? I've done about, I think it was 2 videos I've done on Sentinel protocol. Guys, check this out. Sentinel protocol, operating on blockchain technology. Sentinel protocol harnesses collective cybersecurity intelligence to protect crypto assets against hackers, scams, and frauds. Okay, now for this project to be below the ICO price, that has a major part to do. Obviously, we go back to the overall crypto markets tanking. Okay, I get that. Now, how could you take advantage of this? Let's check them out on IDEX, right? So they are listed as UP tokens. So I'll just go right here, UPP. There they are, UP tokens. And let's just verify that information on ICO Drops. So the price is at 16419. Okay, 16149. Okay, so oh no, it doesn't really give us the ETH price. Okay, oh no, it's right here. So there we go. Look, it's below the ICO price, as you can see right here, 0.002. Okay, ETH. It's below the ICO price. Guys, if you, okay, so from an investing standpoint, this is an amazing price because we are getting it cheaper than the actual ICO investors, okay? Not only that, but from a moral standpoint, as I said, if you are a long-term believer in cryptocurrencies, if you are a long-term investor in cryptocurrencies, why would you not want to support something like Sentinel Protocol that are trying to eliminate fraudulent activity, safeguarding cryptocurrency assets, having cybersecurity experts, pretty much like a 24/7 surveillance on not only major exchanges or decentralized exchanges, but even personal wallets like your MyEther wallet. Okay, guys, this is pretty big stuff. Now, as I said, people love to invest to get back returns, and I get that. I'm all for that too. But at the same time, we got to invest into things for the growth of it, for the better of the overall sentiment. Because a lot of the money, like the institutional guys, the suits, they don't want to invest into cryptocurrency because of this. Too many frauds and hacks. And yes, they don't really understand it. They're becoming very knowledgeable and they're getting very educated on cryptocurrencies. And they're becoming very smart too when it comes to crypto. So, but the major part of why they don't want to invest into cryptocurrency is because of the hacks and the scams that are going on. Now, if Sentinel Protocol could fix this, we would see an influx of institutional money coming in because that threat is eliminated. So what I'm trying to say is, whether you want to invest into Sentinel Protocol from a investing standpoint to get returns, or from a moral standpoint for the betterment of the overall market and to restore some sort of, I wouldn't say trust, but security, okay? That's going to benefit every single person within the markets. And why would you not want that, okay, guys? And you're getting it for below the ICO price, okay? So that's what I tend to do. What I do is when the markets are pretty low, I come to IDEX and I scour the ICOs that I didn't get into, and I look at the price right now and I compare the ICO price. If it's a 2x, I might dive in. Depends on the hard cap. There's a lot of other factors that goes into place, okay, guys? But I think you get the picture. Last but definitely not least, before I end this video, I had my eyes set on Eden Chain, guys, and that has not gone live as yet. As we can see here, the pinned message, token distribution has not started. Okay, so that's all I need to know. It has not started, but I have been keeping my eyes, so that's Endor, that's something different. I've been keeping my eyes out for Eden Chain, and I truly believe Eden Chain would not do as good as Quark Chain in this market conditions, but it will do second best. Okay, so after Quark Chain for 2018, it will be Eden Chain. That's just my personal predictions. Okay, guys, let's see what happens. It's your boy, the Crypto Lifestyle, coming back at you once again, giving you the latest of the latest, and hopefully the latest of the greatest. We went over the 250 billion market cap. There's blood on the streets, yes, but guess what? As I said, guys, there are more millionaires that were made in the Great Depression than ever before in human history, okay? Keep that in mind. We can make money even in these harsh market conditions, okay? We went over that. I showed you guys Sentinel Protocol, how it's still tremendously undervalued, just like a vast majority of the coins here. We also went over on the hunt for Eden Chain and Metronome, guys. So guess what? There ain't really much left to see other than, until the next video, you're on your own. Later.